Hello, my name is Ammar Mostafa. Today I'm going to talk about my final year project, which is FixFinder, a specialized vehicle repair system. I am under the supervision of Dr. Razia binti Muhammad. For the content, we have the introduction, literature review, system development methodology, requirement analysis, implementation and testing, and finally the conclusion. For the introduction, we have that car owners face various obstacles causing irritation, repair delays, and increased expenditure. Many owners lack technical experience to choose appropriate parts. So the system is proposed, or the objective of the system is to streamline the process of identifying repair parts and localize and locating suitable repair shops. So to ensure the system correctly detects vehicle models and provide accurate repair suggestions and display reliable repair shop locations. So also one of the objectives is to create an architecture model for the FixFinder vehicle repair system based on the gathered requirements. The project aim is to design a user-friendly FixFinder vehicle repair system to replace the traditional word-of-mouth approach. So for the scope is to aim to replace manual identification, word-of-mouth recommendations, and etc. Also to automate vital system processes to increase efficiency and reduce time consumption for users in Al Kharj, Saudi Arabia. So for the literature review, for the current system analysis, we have an algorithm to analyze the image to identify and locate the vehicle, classifying it by make. For the system identifies the necessary repair parts for the system for the vehicle. Also, the system estimates the cost of these parts for the user. The system searches for suitable high quality repair shops in the user's area. So next, we have the literature review, which is the technologies used. We have for the front end React, for the back end Node.js, for the database Firebase, for the version control, which is GitHub, and for the diagrams is Duo.io. So for the development methodology, we have the Agile methodology, which consists of several sprints, several phases. We have the planning, the requirement analysis, the designing, the implementation, testing, and deployment. For the hardware requirements, we need a laptop or a PC. For my hardware requirements, I have my PC, which is an MSI Stealth M15. For the software requirements, we need a Microsoft 11, Visual Studio Code for the source code, also Chart or Draw.io for the UML diagrams, and Figma for the prototyping. This is my use case diagram. I have 9 use cases and I have only 2 users or 2 actors, which is the admin, which is the repair shop owner, and the user. This is the architectural model I have, which is a client server, which identifies the interaction between users and the server. Client and server. For the user interfaces, I have here the user registration, the image upload page, the car parts catalog, the repair shop location. For the implementation and testing, we have the authentication, which is the user registration flow, which is creates a user in the Firebase and creates a document in the user collection for the specific user with the UID as the document ID. So this is the code for the authentication or for the user registration flow. Here for the authentication, we have creates a centralized authentication context or auth context to manage user states and auth or authentication operations across the system. This is the code for the authentication. We have the car recognition, which is validates image upload, sends image to servers, the process results. For this is the code for the car recognition. The user acceptance testing is used to validate or is performed by end users, which are the car owners and the admins, to ensure the system meets real needs. For the conclusion, we have the project have successfully developed and deployed a web-based solution automating vehicle repair processes, which saves time and cost, streamline repair diagnosis, and shop discoveries, which also has a user-friendly, intuitive interface for both cars owners and repair shops. For the future enhancements, I plan to make a mobile expansion, followed by responsive mobile or app version, and also I plan to add a payment gateway. Thank you for listening to me and have a nice day.